So the next topic is maps. So in order to create any map, we need to have geographical data types like city, state, postal code, latitude, longitude. So with any geographical data types, we can create map. So here we have map icons to create ready-made. Let's go with the first one, which says map. Let's use state on the location and use sales under bubble size. So it's just a normal map which depicts the sales across different locations in US. Okay, the bubble size denotes the highest number of sales. Otherwise, the sales distribution among the different locations. Okay, so this is just a normal symbol map. So let's go with the next chart, which is the field map. Mm, let me take the state again. Now let me go with the sales. Okay, so here we have legend. So for legend, let's add region here so that we get to know the regions that we have in US. So you can clearly see the entire distribution is divided among four different regions: central, east, south, west. So you can remove the region, and you can also use category. Not the category. Let's check what you have here. Okay, fine. Let's go with the sales here. So if you want to see all the states which has the distribution of sales, you can put the state in legend. So in that way, each and every state would be colored in different. Otherwise, it's better to put region. So when you hover across any state in field map, you can see it is showing us state name and region name. We can also show other measures like profit. Okay. This pop-up box, as I said you in the previous classes, is nothing but a tooltip. Okay. So let's put profit under tooltip. Yes. Now you can see that it displays the profit as well. Okay. So in this way, we can create a field map. So now let's go with the pie chart. I mean to say map with pie chart. Okay, basically it's a combination of map and pie chart, and it's when compared to other BI tools, it is very easy to create here in Power BI because if you try in Tableau, I mean it's going to be a little more difficult. I mean to say there will be more steps compared to Power BI. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Click on the map. Let's go with the state. Mm, I can go with the category in legend. Now you can see the distribution of different categories across different regions. Okay, now I can use sales under bubble size. Yes, so now you can see we have three categories, right? Furniture, office supplies, technology. Okay, here you can see it's entirely blue, which is nothing but there is a sales of only furniture sales, and no other sales like office supplies and technology has taken here. Okay, so if you see here, uh, the sales is of entirely office supplies. Okay, so there are no sales in furniture or technology. Okay, so in this way you can create a map with pie chart. Next, formatting in map. So what are the formatting options in map? Let's look at it. Let's track state and sales. Let's go to the format option. Okay, here if you see all the bubbles are colored in blue. If you want to change this default color from blue to any other color, okay, you can go to format option under visualizations and bubbles colors. As you can see, the default one is blue. You can change the default one to any other color. As you can see, the color has changed. Okay, if you want to change color for each and every state, otherwise any particular state, you can immediately click the below option which you see as show all. Just click it to on. As you can see, all the state names are given. Let me change the California color to purple. Yes, you can see, right, the California color has been changed to purple. Okay, let's check other options. What do you have? Yes, we can also zoom out and zoom in by scrolling mouse, but it would be better if we have any buttons, right? Yes, we have buttons. Okay, you can go to map settings and controls. You can on the zoom buttons. Okay. Yes, now we can see there is a plus and minus sign. Okay, which is nothing but zoom out and zoom in. In this way, you can apply zoom buttons. Let's check. Okay, we have another option, category labels. Okay, if you click on this, it's basically shows the category labels here, as you can see. Okay, for each and every state, it's going to display its name. Okay, you can even format it as well. You can increase the size and you can change the color of the font from let's say black to some other color, orange. You can change the background from black to yellow. Yes, so in this way you can format the category labels. Let's check what you have. Yes, you can also add some title here. In default, it's nothing but sales by state. Okay, as you can see, it is displayed in the left top corner. Okay, you can change it by renaming it to anything which is meaningful. Okay, so we have borders as well. Okay, here you can see we have visual borders. Here we have now in default it's a square borders, right? If you select the visual border, you can change the corners to rounded. Yes, as you can see we have rounded corners now. You can also change the background where it have. Yes, in this way you can change the background of the borders. Let me check the title. Yes, let me check the change color to white. Okay, and alignment to middle. Okay, in this way you can adjust the title. Okay, so these are some formatting options. You can play with other options. Okay, you can explore the remaining options. which you can see. Okay. So the next topic here is background changes. Okay. So it's nothing but changing the background of a map. In default we have blue background, right? I mean to say, um, let me show you. Yeah, here you can see the blue background, right? You can change the background of it. Let me show you where it is. Okay, so basically it's a new version. Power BI is going to update every month. Just hold on. Yeah, here it is. In under map settings, we have style, right? In default, it's a road style. Let me check with others. Aerial. Look at, we have an aerial view. So in this way, you can select the best one. Grayscale road, which is a default one. Okay. So these are the background changes in map. So how do we create the map of India? I have another sheet which I'm going to share you. Okay. Let me get it. States and duties of India. Let me put the population under bubble size. Mhm. Okay, in default, it is counted as count. Okay. Okay, that's fine. As if now, in future sections, I'm going to show you the aggregation in tables or visualizations. Okay. Okay. So it's just showing us the population among different states that we have. Okay. So I'm going to share you. I'm going to share you this file. Okay. So you don't need to worry about it. Let me check. It must be. Okay. In default, it's going to go in for count. That's fine. Okay. So the next one we have is map of Australia. You can also manually enter it. Let me show you what I mean. Okay. So on the sheet 2, I have um, states of map, states of Australia. Let me, here you can click on enter data. State area. We have yeah, now you're gonna get it. Click on enter data. Select the column 1. Yeah, you can rename the table as let's say Australia areas. Yeah, here you can see we got Australia areas. Let me select the map. Same thing again. You can select the state and the area. Okay. So you can clearly see uh, the Australia areas with states. Okay. So in this way, you can apply different you can apply different changes. Otherwise, you can create different types of maps. Okay, which gonna solve us many problems, I would say. Because in real time, most in real time, obviously we need to find like highest to sales, highest to profits. Okay, which we're gonna see in future classes. Okay, but if we come across geographical data, this is how you can do it. Okay, yeah, thank you.